This video describes the functionality of printing the pressure values throughout the leak test cycle. This function is used as a diagnostic tool or development tool, and it allows you to print out the pressure values at fixed intervals during the leak test cycle. To do that, I need to access the system as a supervisor. So I'm going to log in as a supervisor. And now that I'm a supervisor, I can go into Utilities, and I need to turn on the AutoPrint function. Now I can go into Cycle Control. Oh, I need to make sure that the local printer is active, so I'll go back into Utilities and Output Control, turn on the active printer, turn off that, and we're good. I'm going to go to the Cycle Control and start a cycle. Recipe 1 is fine because it's a shortened cycle. While the machine is running the leak test cycle, the printer that is located right on the machine is going to print out the pressure values at fixed intervals. I'm going to show that during the leak test cycle right there. You can see the values are getting printed. At this time, the glove is being inflated. The pressure value is still 0. As you can see, it says A channel, ET, so for elapsed time, 10 seconds, and the pressure value is still 0 because the pressure just climbed up to about 204 pascals, so that's going to start showing up as we print out. You see the time lapse between printouts is 10 seconds. Right now the system is going through the stab process, stabilizing the pressure at a pressure higher than the actual pass-fail pressure level. So you can start seeing the pressure values. The idea behind this is that once the cycle is finished, you can take this printout and plug in the numbers into an Excel spreadsheet, so then you can create a graph and actually see exactly what the pressure profile is throughout the cycle. Then naturally the second phase of this activity, from a development standpoint, is to create the same set of data, but with an orifice connected to the glove port interface, and then comparing the two graphs. And that is very helpful in developing parameters for the leak test cycle. And this has been completed. Of course, as I said, it's very, very short cycle programmed that way. You can see that it started out as 0, and as the time went on, the pressure value went up. Then it went back down to the the starting pressure, and then all throughout the leak test cycle. Because the leak test cycle was so short in time, really the number of printouts was very limited. So the leak test cycle has completed. So now we can go back to this and finish things off. What we're going to do is put in the glove ID, say 1, and isolator ID, let's say 10. And now we should be able to create an output, which is going to come out right at the same printer. You can hear it printing. I will show that printout right now. As you can see, this is a printout that normally a leak test cycle outputs. So this functionality is very, very helpful for checking out to make sure that the cycle is proper, and it is mostly a diagnostic function. It is not an operator function.